Friends, we are back.
Today I am going to make 3 different recipes of a sandwich. They are veggie sandwich, bread pizza, and chocolate sandwich. This is my elder brother who is going to help me for preparations.
Let's get started.
Ingredients: some pizza seasoning, some chili flakes, some tomatoes, and 3 slices of cheese, and then a little bit of chocolate syrup, 6 pieces of bread, and some tomato sauce. So now we are going to take 2 pieces of bread to make the chocolate sandwich, and take some chocolate syrup and spread it around. Take a spoon, spread it on the bread with a spoon. We are going to put the cheese on the bread. We are going to put the bread on the cheese, and then our chocolate sandwich is done. The sandwich is ready. Now we are going to do some decoration and spread some chocolate on top of the bread. We are making pizza bread. We need to pour some sauce on the bread with this, and then spread the tomato sauce with the spoon. We have spread the sauce on the bread piece. Now we are going to put the slice of cheese on it. Now we are going to put some tomatoes on the bread and some corn. After this, we are going to spread some seasoning and chili flakes. The pizza bread is now ready, so now we are going to put it in the oven for 1 minute. Now we are done our chocolate sandwich and pizza bread. Now we are going to move on to the veggie sandwich.
Like, share and subscribe this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you are updated with our channel continuously.
Now we have put the slice of cheese on the bread. Now we are going to put some tomatoes. Now we are going to put another slice of bread on the bread. So now our veggie sandwich is also complete. Now all of our 3 sandwich recipes are ready: chocolate sandwich, veggie sandwich, and pizza bread.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and also please write your feedback of these recipes in the comment section below. So anyways, goodbye and see you later.